Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so you can act immediately. Check the case and both buds are charged above 20% and bring them within inches of your device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the device is unlocked. You want pairing visible. Open the AirPods Pro case and press and hold the setup button on the back for about 3 to 5 seconds until the status light flashes white. Once done, watch your device for the pairing dialog and tap Connect to begin the handoff. If pairing stalls, take systematic steps you can complete now. First, go to Bluetooth settings and choose Forget or Remove for your AirPods, then retry pairing to clear a stale connection. Next, toggle Bluetooth off and on and restart your phone or tablet to refresh the wireless stack. If problems persist, reset the AirPods Pro. With the case open, hold the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This returns them to factory pairing mode. Once connected, confirm functionality by playing audio and making a quick call to check mic and left/right channels, because connectivity sometimes masks hardware faults. Make sure your phone or tablet has the latest OS and that AirPods firmware updates are applied. Keep them close to the device for the update to push through. If you still see issues, try pairing with another device to isolate whether the problem is the AirPods or the original device. If that fails too, contact support or consider a battery or hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.